won't you let the light shine through for you, 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 won't you let the light shine through?
Vogue, Vogue, hey, hey, get it girl, get it girl. Hi guys, hola mis amigos, how are you guys doing today? For today's video, I'm gonna do a review on this red, cute leather jacket from Luka Jackets. I'm obsessed. I've been wanting something really cute and bold and crazy and fashionable. I'm so excited to do this review. I haven't done a review in a really long time, so get ready. It's about to be fun, it's about to be lit. I'm definitely gonna leave his links down below in the description box. His Instagram is Luka Jackets and his website is www.lukajackets.com. I know leather jackets can be pretty expensive, so use my discount code RD10 to save $10 off your first purchase of $159. So get into it. I have a lot of basic black leather jackets in my closet and I wanted something crazy and bold, so why not go with red? I was going online searching for specific style and I could not find one for the life of me until I ran into this website. Shipping was amazing. The quality, yo, the quality is so nice and clean. I feel fresh, I feel like a king, and they're really unique. I haven't seen anything like this before, so if you guys want something to add to your wardrobe, something that speaks very loud and crazy, definitely check out his website. It's worth it, trust me. I wanted a leather jacket that was fit for me. Definitely go for an extra small. They have a lot of different sizes on this site. They also have the option to get it in vegan leather, which is what I did, and it was perfection. Love animals, don't wear them. I am very happy with my purchase. I cannot wait to be a little Instagram baddie, post pictures, be all cute and edgy and shit. The reason why I chose red is because it goes with all the seasons. So, you know, you can wear it during Christmas, during the summer, late at night, if it's not too hot. You can wear it any time of the year. There's so many different options. It's also very lightweight and comfortable, which is what I love. Most leather jackets tend to be a bit heavy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to leave comments down below, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and stay weird. I'll see y'all on my next video. Ma. Me mo ma mo ma. I'm gonna get all the giggles out. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. Oh shit. My camera fell. Ay, 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 pinche cosa. Fuck.
Baby, won't you let the light shine through for you?